Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's start. सर्वात अगोदर सुरक्षा. Safety comes first. Safety comes first. मला विचारून जा. Go after asking me. Go after asking me. छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टींवर नाराज होऊ नको. Don't get upset over little things. Don't get upset over little things. तुम्ही चुकीच्या बसमध्ये बसले का? Did you get on the wrong bus? Did you get on the wrong bus? जास्तीत जास्त काय होईल? What will happen at most? What will happen at most? परमेश्वर कृपेने सर्व चांगले आहे. Everything is fine by the grace of God. Everything is fine by the grace of God. पंखा खूप आवाज करत आहे. The fan is too noisy. The fan is too noisy. तुझं काम संपल्यावर मला मेसेज कर. Text me after finishing your work. Text me after finishing your work. आज बहुतेक आम्हाला इथे राहावे लागेल. We may have to stay here today. We may have to stay here today. पहिल्यापासून तुला डॉक्टर व्हायचे होते का? Did you want to become a doctor all along? Did you want to become a doctor all along? आज कोणता वार आहे? What day is it today? What day is it today? आज मीटिंग किती वाजता आहे? What time is the meeting today? What time is the meeting today? यशला खूप कमी मार्क्स मिळाले आहेत. यश has scored very less marks. यश has scored very less marks. आज मला खूप होमवर्क आहे. I have a lot of homework today. I have a lot of homework today. तुम्हाला भेटायला कोणीतरी आले आहे. Someone has come to meet you. Someone has come to meet you. Goodbye friends.